Misha, no, you're not supposed to do all that. You're just supposed to pour it in there. Misha, no, you're just supposed to pour it.
Boy, you know I get it. I got it. I got it. I got it. Boy, you know I get it.
On Karma Playhouse.
Boy, what you want, I got it. What you need, I got it. Anything you want, I got it for you, babe. Boy, what you want, I got it. What you need, I got it. Anything you want, I got it for you.
Juicies. What's up, K-Army? Today we are back with another video.
Come on, let's go.
You done or you finished?
I have to do that for the people.
I don't think nobody likes that. If you don't like that, comment below.
If you comment down below, we're gonna have problems. So keep your comments to yourself.
So, this little doohickey here, we're hoping that it is nice and it turns out great because it's actually by Crazy Art.
This is a Crazy Art product, cotton candy maker, the real cotton candy maker.
Crazy cooking.
And we're about to make some cotton candy.
Cotton candy party.
Yeah, so let's get into the video. Let's open this baby
up.
up. So we got a tub. Okay.
She made it rain. Okay, so what I'm going to do is nothing right now. I'm going to read the directions actually. Okay, in this box comes a tea, the base, the bowl. Inside is the lock nut and the spinner cap.
What else?
Includes light up wand, candy cotton wand,
And
AC adapter power plug. So I just plucked this up.
y'all can make Misha disappear. Y'all want to? So these are called colored sugar refill kits. And I guess this is what makes it sugar. But you're supposed to add 1 teaspoon of regular sugar.
Okay guys, so we're ready to start. Now I'm gonna switch all the arrows where they're all facing each other. So turn it on. I'm gonna switch it on. There we go.
We gotta wait till it turns green?
Yeah, it's like red flashing lights right now, and then we're gonna pour. What flavor do you want? Pink vanilla, purple grape, blue raspberry, red cherry,
Alright, I'm gonna do blue raspberry.
and I'm gonna do red cherry.
Alright,
No, pink vanilla.
so Misha's first. And then I'm next. But we gotta wait till it turns green.
We have 1 tablespoon right here. And we're gonna pour the sugar through this little funnel here, and just spread it around.
New York, I'm Midland Rock. Had it in my car.
Oh, it also came with a special one that you could just press the button, and I guess your cotton candy will glow. Don't do that. Alright, your hand's gonna burn off.
I'm gonna explode! My head!
Oh, the lights are green.
Oh, it's green! Misha is pouring the what in there? Misha, no, you're not supposed to do all that. You're just supposed to pour it in there. Misha, no, you're just supposed to pour it.
I know what I'm doing.
Look, Misha!
So who don't know what they're doing?
Misha, I cannot. I can't.
Bruh.
Taste it. It's good? Alright, I'm gonna pour mine. Now I'm excited.
Not pink vanilla, y'all.
Ooh, that's too much.
Bruh.
You can do a lot more than what I did because look how much you
Just
made.
pour it straight in there though. Like that, yeah. Get some of the pink vanilla.
Just some leftover.
Hold on, I ruined it.
Don't put your finger in there.
This looks like not edible.
Bruh.
I'm just being honest. Good to you?
Blue is the better option.
Alright, so this is our masterpiece. And yeah, if you guys want to make cotton candy of your own, or if you do, hashtag Karma Cotton Candy and tag us on Instagram so we can repost. So guys, if you enjoyed this video, please like,
Comment,
share,
subscribe, and don't forget to turn on your bell notification so you get
ping every time we post.
We love you guys and we'll see you next time on
Karma Playhouse.
Deuces.
Hi, I'm Kirsten.
And I'm Misha Michelle, and you've been watching
Karma Playhouse.
If you want to see more how-to videos,
Challenges,
tutorials,
workout videos,
and pranks, click the list beside us for more.
and if you want to keep up to date with the videos that we're putting out,
Smash that subscribe button below. And comment below what you would like to see us do next. Deuces.